Hello everyone, welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with me. Today we're gonna make another really fierce animal. It's called tiger. Tiger, roar. Let's get started. We're gonna start making the ear. One brown circle as the ear, and then the other brown circle to make the other ear. And then we take a black circle right on top, the other black circle right on top, big brown circle, and put it right there. Okay, our tiger has got a face. And what about this peach color circle? Yes, that's the jaw. It looks so cool. And now we're gonna work on the patterns there. One right here. And now we have the smallest semicircle right under that. What's this? One eye. Put it right here. Okay, what else is missing? The nose. You're right. Now we have the last black semicircle, and we put it right here. Okay, that's the nose. Roar! This is our tiger. He is the king of the forest, and he looks so cool, doesn't he? Roar! Can you roar with me? Roar! What's this? Tiger. Tiger, tiger. Bye!